Hey guys, it's Sophie here, and today I'm with my brother. I don't know where he is. But today we're going to do a fidget scavenger hunt. So basically he's going to hide the fidgets and I'm going to find them. And then I'm going to hide the fidgets so Philly's going to find them. So yeah, I have a lot of us. It's going to probably take like 3 minutes. I know, but we've changed things up so that we don't know where it is. Because last time we did, because we saw people doing it, didn't we? Philly! Show them your makeup! Come here, Philly, show them your makeup. I'm a clown! I'm a clown! Come do it again, come here. I'm a clown! Did you guys see his legs? Ow! Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna hide underneath his blanket. But little does he know I might be peeking. I'm not. I know. He's got my many. That was Batman. Boom, boom. Sorry. He actually is watching. Look at him, guys. I know you got my pink splat man. I know you got my pink splat man. Ah, Philly, you have to hide this slime as well. You have to hide this slime as well. And that puppet. I got glow in the dark puppet. It's only £1 in Poundland. I look so tired. What? Okay. Oh my god. Is that mine? Oh. What was that? Oh, I'm not allowed to look, am I? I'm not allowed to look. Let me know when you're ready. The boom boom. I'm not watching it. Don't worry if I'm watching TV. I'm covering up half of it. Half of the room so I can just see the TV. Watching those. Love them. Always watching. Don't worry, Philly, I'm not looking. I'm just watching TV. It may look like I'm looking, but I'm not.
I need to go to the toilet.
Go toilet quickly then.
Look, I'll put them here.
Guys, look how much cook cheese I have.
Yeah, because I did use some.
Yeah, it's true. Well, I bought 3 of them. Did you just fart? He just farted. He just farted twice. As he's going wee-wees. You going to be, Finley? You going to be? Nothing. Look, Finley. I got no eye.
No eye?
Yeah, look. What do you mean, look? I have an eye.
Oh, you did that one.
Next to the but I don't.
Oh, where's
I
my
do.
sister's eye? Oh, there it is. Where's my sister's eye? There it is. No, Sophia, your eye's back.
I know. And then no, actually. I'm so tired. Take a picture.
Not ready.
I can't get this one. Ah! Okay, but take pictures. And you're not allowed to hide them in the same place. You are allowed if you really want though.
There's that hider in the hat.
I know, I found it.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome.
You're the best spider. I need you for search people. You're my search people. You search for everything.
I know.
What I need.
You know you're allowed them hide them in your drawers and anywhere you really want. You're only allowed 10 hints. I mean 4, no 10. No 8, my lucky number.
Wait. Sophia,
Yeah?
where's the ring? Dia sent Dimple Dimple. No, I'm here.
Santa, tell me if you
I'm not kidding. I didn't even hide it.
Santa, tell me if you all I gotta do is move your legs and your hands. I'm the real party man. What should we do with this? Watch me, I'll whip and dab, pipe it up the step. I want to bring it back down. We don't turn it back round. Hey, 1, 2, 3, think I got you, please. Oh, hi, drip right into the lead. I'm peeking. I might be peeking. I won't peek anymore, guys.
Sophia, why did I have no down in here?
Probably because I didn't have any more room.
It's plenty more floors in the whole entire world.
No, but I don't want to put them in your drawers. I don't want to put them in your drawers because I might get lost.
Anyway, you are such people.
True. We are the shrimp squad. So you know there's another fidget. 2 more fidgets on top of my drawers. Stay shrimpy, stay shrimpy. We are the shrimp squad.
Top of here.
No, top. Yeah, and the zippy bracelet.
This is sort of like a fidget.
Hairbrushes in. I don't want you hiding it anyway because Granny and Grandad got me that. My mum's hardly on the work call, so she got me in this video. I just told them that mummy's on the work call. Oh guys, can I show you this one for Christmas? This is what I have actually got. So I've got I can create 20 Fizztastic bombs, which is bath bombs, and then I can make colour changing lip balm. I can make some lotion, which is body lotion, and some rainbow soup. I'm gonna make video. Ooh, Splatmans!
Sophia, no, I hide that.
Oh, I'll forget. Don't worry. Actually, we'll forget. Wait, where's Splatman? Hey, where's Splatman again? Where's that red Splatman?
There.
Don't tell me! And I remember again. Oh. are. Because Santa, tell me if you're really there. Because Santa, tell me if you're really there. So Santa, tell me, are you really there? Santa, tell me if you're really there. All you gotta do is move your legs and your... Oh my god. All you gotta do is move your legs and your hands. I'm the real party man. Watch me do a dance. Watch me whip a dip. Pipe it up the steps. I wanna bring it back down, back down. We don't turn the background, background. All you gotta do is move your legs and your hands. I'm the real party man. Watch me do a dance. Watch me whip a go. Oh, they stood. I can see it.
I need to sort this. I need to sort this wall out.
What's wrong?
This.
What's happening? Look. Focus. I know why. Ow. Sophia. Not there. Stay, Shrimpy, stay. Yeah. I actually didn't forget, guys.
You actually did forget.
No, I actually did say. No, sorry, I actually forgot though. I said I actually didn't forget them, but now I actually did forget. Philly, Mummy's going to be up in 10 minutes. She just texted me. Oh God, I'll have to do part 2. Wait a minute. God, see ya.